Hello. I am looking at this painting for 10 minutes.
Hello. Do you like what you see there?
I am not sure. It is very big and very blue.
My name is Alice. I am the artist of this piece.
Oh, nice to meet you. I am Leon.
Nice to meet you, Leon. Is this your first exhibition?
Yes, it is. My friend told me about this place.
What do you think about the yellow lines?
They look like a map, or maybe like broken glass.
That is an interesting idea. For me, it is sunlight.
Sunlight. But the blue color is very dark.
It is sunlight under the deep ocean water.
Ah, now I see it. The logic is different here.
Art does not always need logic, Leon. It needs emotion.
I am a programmer. I work with logic every day.
That sounds very difficult. Do you use many colors?
No, I use black screens and white text. It is simple.
My world is very messy. I have paint on my clothes.
I see a small red spot there.
That is from this morning. I was very busy today.
Is it hard to be an artist in this city?
It is a challenge, but I love my freedom very much.
I understand that. Freedom is very important for everyone.
Do you want to see the other room? It is quieter.
Yes, please. This room is a bit loud for me.
Follow me. We have some metal sculptures there.
Metal? That sounds more like my world.
I use old car parts for my sculptures.
That is clever. It is a good way to recycle.
Exactly. Let's go and see the iron bird. This is my favorite piece. I call it the sky.
It is made of old spoons. That is very funny.
Yes, I found them in an old kitchen shop.
It looks very heavy. How did you make it fly?
It is hanging on a very thin wire. Can you see?
No, I cannot. It looks like it is floating.
That is the magic of art. Everything is a dream.
In my world, things must be real and stable.
Dreams can be stable too, Leon. Look at the wings.
They are very sharp. I should not touch them.
You are right. Please do not touch the bird.
Why did you choose spoons for the wings?
Because spoons carry food, and food is life.
That is a very deep thought. I like it.
Do you have any creative hobbies, Leon?
I play the piano sometimes, but only at night.
Music is art too. It is art for the ears.
I play classical music. It has many strict rules.
You should try to play without rules one day.
I am afraid it will sound very bad.
Bad is just a word. It will sound like you.
You are very positive, Alice. It is nice.
Life is too short for negative thoughts.
Look at that sculpture over there. Is it a cat?
No, it is a telephone, or my version of it.
A telephone, but it has a tail.
It is a telephone that can talk to animals.
I want a telephone like that.
Maybe I can make one for you.
That would be a very strange gift.
Now, I want to show you something secret.
A secret? Is it behind this black curtain?
Yes, come inside and close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed now.
Now open them and look at the ceiling.
Wow, it is full of small glowing stars.
I used special paint for this room. It glows.
It feels like I am in space. It is beautiful.
This is where I come when I am sad.
It is very peaceful here. The light is soft.
I want people to feel calm in this room.
You succeeded, Alice. I feel very relaxed now.
Good. That is the goal of my exhibition.
How long did it take to paint this?
It took 3 weeks. I worked during the nights.
Like me and my piano. The night is quiet.
Yes, the city is sleeping and the ideas come.
I think I'm starting to understand art now.
Really? What is art for you today?
It is a way to see the world differently.
That is a perfect answer, Leon. You are a natural.
Thank you. But I still like my computer too.
That is fine. We need both logic and dreams.
Can I take a photo of this room?
Yes, but without the flash. It ruins the glow.
This will be my new wallpaper.
I am honored. My art on a programmer's phone.
I am hungry now. Is there a cafe nearby?
We have a small cafe in the gallery basement.
Would you like to have a coffee with me?
This cafe is very cozy. I like the chairs.
They are very comfortable. I like the green plants.
I will have a green tea, please.
And I will have a large black coffee.
Black coffee? That is very strong for the evening.
I'm used to it. It helps me think.
I always draw here.
Can I see your drawings? Are they secret too?
No, they are just ideas. Look at this one.
It is a man with a clock for a head.
It is about people who are always in a hurry.
That is me. I am always looking at the time.
You should stop and look at the flowers instead.
I will try. Today was a good start.
I'm glad you came to my gallery today.
Me too. It was a very interesting experience.
Do you live in this neighborhood, Leon?
No, I live near the park. It is a long walk.
I love that park. It has very old oak trees.
Yes, I go there to run every Sunday morning.
I go there to draw on Sunday afternoons.
Maybe we saw each other before.
Maybe, but I am always looking at my book.
And I am always looking at my running shoes.
We are both very busy people.
But now we are talking. This is better.
I agree. It is nice to talk to someone new.
Your tea is getting cold, Alice.
Oh, I forgot to drink it. I was talking too much.
It is okay. I like listening to you.
Leon, stay still for 1 minute.
Still? Why? Is there a spider on me?
No, I want to draw you in my book.
Me? But I am very boring to draw.
No, you have a very interesting face.
Okay, I will not move.
Don't be so serious. Relax your shoulders.
Is this better? Can I blink?
Yes, you can blink. Just stay in the light.
You are moving your pencil very fast.
I am capturing your lines. They are very sharp.
Sharp lines? Like my logic?
Exactly. But your eyes are very soft.
People say I look like my father.
He must be a handsome man then.
Thank you, Alice.
Almost finished. Just the shadow under your chin.
My coffee is empty now. Can I move?
Yes, I am done. Look at the result.
Wow, is that really me?
It is you as I see you today.
I look happy in this drawing.
Because you are happy today. I can see it.
You're right. This was a great afternoon.
I will give you this page as a souvenir.
Really? But it is your sketchbook.
I can always buy a new one. This is for you.
Thank you, Alice. I will put it on my wall.
Next to the photo of the glow room?
Yes, it will be my Alice corner.
The gallery is closing now. It is 7 o'clock.
Time went so fast, I didn't notice.
That happens when you enjoy the moment.
I should go home now. My cat is waiting.
You have a cat? What is its name?
Her name is Pixel. She's very small and black.
Pixel. That is a perfect name for a programmer's cat.
She's the only one who understands my code.
Cats are very wise creatures.
Here's my card, Alice, with my number.
Thank you. I will send you a message soon.
Are you here tomorrow as well?
No, tomorrow I am working in my studio.
Is your studio far from the park?
It is on the next street, above the flower shop.
I know that place. It always smells like roses.
Yes, it is a very inspiring place to work.
Maybe I can bring you a coffee there tomorrow.
That would be lovely. I love black coffee too sometimes.
I will bring two. One for me and one for you.
See you tomorrow then, Leon.
They look like your secret room.
Nature is the best artist after all.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Leon.
This was a wonderful day.
I have a new friend and a new sketch.
See you.